Hi friends, welcome to Aptitude for Dummies. Today we are going to learn how to solve calendar problems. So we have two different methods to solve these problems. Let us solve this first problem with the first method. If our question is, if 14th February 2005 was on Monday, then 14th February 2010 will be on which day? So how we can solve this problem is 14th February 2005 was on Monday. So normally 14th February 2006 will be Tuesday if 2006 is not a leap year. So since we know 2006 is not a leap year, it will be on Tuesday. Now 14th February 2007 will be on Wednesday because it is also not a leap year. 14th February 2008 will be on, I think this is a leap year because if I divide it by 4, I get remainder as 0. So whenever we have a leap year, we increment the days by 2 plus 2. That is Wednesday, leave Thursday, and this will be on Friday. Now 14 February 2009 will be on Saturday because it is not a leap year, and 14 February 2010 will be on Sunday, which is our answer. So in this model, since we are using this formula because it is asked that 14 February 2005 was on Monday and 14 February 2010, which we have just solved it to be on Sunday. But what if they asked us when would 14th February 2100 be? Would we use the same technique? No friends, we must use some other method which I am going to teach you now. Let me wipe out this. Now imagine they asked us a question saying when was 15th August 1947? On which day was 15th August 1947 is a question in aptitude. Now I will teach you a method with the help of which you can solve this problem in less than 1 minute. But before going to this, we need to learn some method here. So please have a look on these year codes. The year between 1600 to 1699, the code is 6. Similarly, for 1700 to 1799, code is 4. From 1800 to 1899, it is 2. And from 1900 to 1999 is 0. So this code repeats, that is, it is cyclic. 6420. Again, we have 6420, and again, we will have 6420. But the starting is from the year 1600. So since in my problem I have 1947, my code will be 0. Now, coming to the month codes. For the month of January and October, I have 0 as the code. For the month of February, March and November, we have number 3. For May, I have 1. For September and December, we use code 5. For June, it is 4. For April and July, it is 6. And for August, it is 2. So we need to remember these two. In order to solve 15th August 1947, we need to take the first step is the last 2 digits of the year, which is 47. Next, what we have to do is we have to divide 47 by 4, and we should know what is the quotient. So here the quotient will be 4 11s, so 11 is a quotient. Next, what we have to do is we have to find the corresponding year code. I know the year code is 0. The fourth step is find the corresponding month code. The month code here is 2, and add the number 15. Now we have to add all these 5 parameters, which is 47 plus 11 58 plus 0 58 60, then 75. Now 75 divided by 7 because we have 7 days in a week and we are interested in the remainder. So if I do 7 tenths, the remainder will be 5. So if we get a remainder of 5, then it was on Friday. Now let's take an example to find out on which day was 22nd March 1994. Since I already know all these year codes and month codes by heart, so I will try to solve this problem in less than 30 seconds. Okay. Now Step 1, the last two digits are 94. Step 2, 94 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8, 14, 4 3s are 12. I am interested in this quotient plus 23. Plus the year code of 1990s is 0, the month code of March is 3, and the date given is 22. 23 plus 22 is 45, plus 3 48, plus 94. 94 plus 48 gives me 142. Now I'll divide it by 7 because there are 7 days in a week. 7 2s are 14, 7 ones are, so my remainder would be 2. And 2 is on Tuesday. So I hope I have solved it in less than 30 seconds. Similarly, if you practice and if you remember this series, which is 6420, and these month codes, which are easy, then you could be able to solve these problems in less than 30 seconds. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe for more videos.